Yum. If she don't shake, she don't bake. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, she don't shake, she don't bake. She's shaking for us. She made it in. That's all we can ask for. Nice. Oh, yum. That's very hot.
Amazing.
Doesn't it look yum? Okay, wait.
You film a
Cass, you ready for
film
this?
us on making a pizza and you offer me pizza.
Oh.
How's the bottom? I didn't even check.
Oh.
Are you
Crushed
serious?
That's it. That's it.
Dig in, pals.
That was
First bite. What do you think, Maddie?
amazing.
Whoa.
I love
Cass? Oh.
Oh, that was a good bite.
Oh.
Unreal.
I was expecting that combo, but that crust is perfect.
That's cool. To rank this one.
Okay.
You know when you go on the top of Mount Everest
Yeah, all the time.
and you just are just like, you know, I'm just so proud of myself.
So relatable.
That's how I feel about this pizza.
Same.
Everyone knows the rules.
Yep.
Delicious.